Good afternoon. Adam from Floating Letters Farmstead here. I'm out in the field checking soil conditions, seeing exactly what I'm going to do tonight in preparation for tomorrow. We've got a few days of some free weather before the rain comes back again on like Thursday, I think. So yeah, it's Sunday afternoon. I just got done with market a little bit ago. I had some lunch, took a little eye closer for a half hour so I can get out here all night and do what I gotta do, you know, get this place ready for spring planting. We've got the potatoes to get in the ground this week, all of our brassicas, you know, the broccolis, the cabbages, the cauliflowers. We've got all the salad, the onions, the baby bok choys, literally almost our entire greenhouse is minus all the summer stuff. So it's go time. All right, I'm in the tractor and I've gotten started. I did a pass down one way, down the other, and I want to check, like, you know, compaction, tilth, soil moisture, all these kinds of things. So let's hop out of the tractor.
So this is a great place where I will look at, which is in the front of the tractor on the dry side. So I want to look and see how far I'm like sinking into the ground and like what kind of compaction's happening right there. And for me to see like crust and like all this dry material on top, I feel like we're in a really great place to do this tillage. I don't feel like we're doing any damage to the soil.
Ultimately, I can walk through this and it doesn't stick to my shoes at all. That's a great sign.
Yeah, we're good.
So yeah, we're gonna basically get this perfectly dry for tomorrow's planting. This is gonna work out really nice. I think, guys, we're gonna have a really fantastic week of getting spring crop in the ground. This is awesome, man. This is working out sweet. As long as the weather keeps up, I'll be a happy boy, so. Just wrapping up this side of the field. Looking pretty strong. I love the texture and the moisture level of this field right now. It is going to be perfect. So I got to move on to this one ahead of me. I don't know if you can make it out, but on the right side up here, I worked it up like I did here. And that is just plowed on the left side. So I'm going to work that up. And I'm going to redo that just like I did here. And then I want to go and field cultivate this field here. I'm just taking a quick little break. I had to text everybody as far as the crew to meet here in the morning now that I am aware of, like, you know, soil conditions and all that. So it was too wet. I could still probably get in there kind of deal. Then we would just plant the potatoes because they're just being hilled over, you know, the pieces of potato. Or if it's like dry enough, I can put the transplanter through the soil and it not get too sticky. That was kind of the determining factors in what we would do tomorrow. So I still haven't really got to that yet. I want to see how the soil acts when I put the power harrow through the soil and see kind of how it acts like that, and then I'll determine what's going on. Either way, everyone's gonna meet at the farm in the morning and we'll figure it out. So it's a beautiful, beautiful afternoon after market on Sunday. It is warm. I've got a beautiful little afternoon snack of pork chop, sweet potatoes, carrots, I think, and some onions. Whew. Thank you, Jocelyn. Yeah, market was awesome this morning. Man, our support there, you guys are just so cool, man. Like, seriously, you fill my cup up. I could have a bad day and go to market and just like totally get flipped around. I really depend on you guys secretly, and not secretly, but yeah, I love you guys. You guys are the best, man. All right, guys. I know I got a lot of moving parts here, but can't explain it all. Definitely don't have enough time to explain why we have that on my farm, but we'll get to that. For now, stay busy. We got a lot going on. That sun's coming down, so we got about an hour left. I don't know about you, but I'm getting tired. Alright. Gotta make sure it's just center. Alright. So grab some fertilizer. Pretty gorgeous. Nothing like freshly turned up soil. Nice sunset. Alright, it doesn't look like anybody got into my fertilizer yet. It's being animal byproducts, right? Oh. Yeah, they did. It's animal products. You can't blame them. You know, they eat each other out there, so it's just an easy version. Alright, so we got the cone spreader. I'm gonna put a few bags in here and spread it for, you know, all the greens, the kale, the salad, the early beets. Bad lighting. That's better. Hey guys, long day. Gonna be a long week, but man, this is so worth it. I cannot wait to get these plants in. I'm just dreaming of looking over at like rows. That's what really gets me, is rows, man. I love rows of crops. It's just so good. All right, I can't mess around. I gotta get this done. Whoopsie. Alright guys, I say that a lot, I gotta figure that one out, but you know, I have a full, what is that, like 10 bags I think it was, maybe 11 bags, $40 a bag, plus me going on a 12-hour journey, 13-hour journey to go get it. Yeah, you tell me what it costs, I don't know. I'm filling up. I got gas on my way here anyway, so take advantage of my time today so that I don't have to mess around tomorrow, and I'm gonna be rushing around like a madman, especially in the morning. Trying to get a head start and keep my crew busy because I'm not quite where I want to be ready for them, but I just have to get the toolbar behind me with like the row markers for the potatoes. on the toolbar and on the tractor, and then mark my rows so at least they can follow behind me and lay taters, but we'll get there. We'll get there. It's a long day, but yeah, this is where I'm gonna end the video, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Thanks for your support. Really appreciate it. Cheers.